How you dey? Plenty area o. We go enter America. We get one tori on top of Magic Johnson. We get tori on top of Issa Hayatou. The tori still dey fly like breeze dey blow up and down. NFF dey provoke oga. Dis office wey you siddon no be family property o. We no dey support you to come enter for the 8th time for office. We go give you full gist on top of that one for the CAF presido election wey go shele for time wey no go too tey. And Samson Siasia too dey provoke o. E say wetin? If person get black skin na crime. If person get black skin, shey that one dey talk say that person no get liver, that person no package to take coach national team for Africa, even for South Africa, Rwanda, even Orlando Pirates job. Every job wey Samson Siasia, former Naija international, Naija pikin, everything na him fall in hand on top of that level. Plus other plenty tori dey for here. UEFA Champions League shele for yesterday. Some big boys dem don dey tell others say make una bone this Champions League na we na still be small boy, make una no try am. Na the result o, as e take be na dey try to tell una wetin some of the club dey tell those small ones on top of UEFA Champions League for this season.
Yeah, these are some of the stories we be say we will knock you on top of the program this lovely morning. Maybe we'll start from the world of basketball first, and this one is about waiting to happen for LA Lakers. We be say we get some kind of shake up for the club, and the most interesting one is that even Johnson, popularly known as Magic Johnson, who be saying he inspired Los Angeles Lakers to 5 NBA titles in the 80s. Yesterday they don't name him as the president of basketball operation for the struggling NBA team, Los Angeles Lakers. And this was announced by the president and of course part owner of the club, Gene Boss, who also announced the firing of the general manager of the team. So no be saying not only the appointment of Magic Johnson then do, some other people they will be say them fire too. One of those will be say them fire is the person we don't talk about, the general manager of the team, that is talking about Michu Pachak, very tongue twisting name there. And of course another person will be saying fire, and the vice president of the basketball operation will be saying Jim Boss. So now part of the big shake up will be saying do for Los Angeles Lakers for United States of America be that. So make we move on, talk about football. James don't talk about the CAF presidency, but before then the talk say charity begins at home. So we will talk about a local football competition that is currently going on, and that one get something to do with Edba and of course Ogun State. Quarterfinalists don't emerge for the year 2017 Lishabi Cup competition. The schools will be say then qualify for the quarterfinal stage are Pakoto High School. For the boys, Pakoto High School, Abeokuta Grammar School, African Church Grammar School, and Nawaruddin Grammar School, Kejeun Baptist, Lishabi Grammar School, and of course the International Academy Football College, Orile Imo, and Orile Lugun Community High School. Now the schools will be said and qualify for the male quarterfinal stage of the 2017 Lishabi Cup. But for the female, and these schools qualified: Bodeda High School, Ode High School, St. Peter's College, Afrograms, that is African Church Grammar School, United Comprehensive High School, Nawaruddin Grammar School, that is the one in Isolu, Referent Kuti Grammar School, and Lishabi Grammar School, all are in the quarterfinal stage of the 2017 Lishabi Cup. I will tell you how the match is going to happen for 23rd of this month. The quarterfinal go hold them, and of course 24th it go also hold. So now the 2 days we be say the quarterfinal matches go be then go play them for Abeokuta Grammar School football field, and this is something interesting.
Anyway, Sanusi, me I go still dey talk my mind for here. For some time now, this competition dey shele to take discover talent for grassroots level, and if you dey package this kind of competition na to discover future stars for Naija. I be wan ask the organizers, make we try to torchlight this thing, make dem tell us since dem don dey do am, how many of these players dem don dey torchlight to see say dem follow waka so that they will play, even if dem no play for national team, play for some teams for Ogun State, because the koko wey dey inside, the confinement wey dey inside na to discover talent. Yeah, so that one go be talk for another
Yeah,
day.
some of these conditions then they take and discover talent. I remember Akpan Udo, we say eventually play for the under 17 squad of Nigeria, and of course the under 21 squad. Now some of these conditions are like this in play for Ogun State. We say take enter the national team. So some of these conditions now what they always talk about some of these kind of conditions. Nobody say all of them they take and discover talent. I agree, but at least some of them still they give us something to cheer about.
And then from there, make we follow come torchlight this tori wey dey for me front for here. Former Naija international Naija pikin wey don coach the Super Eagles of Naija before Samson Siasia. Bros, you dey provoke o. Bros, you talk say hey, make una help o. If I be black person, if my skin is black, shey talk say I no fit be the coach, I no fit find level when I come join the race to take collect the Koshito job for South Africa. Dem form my hand carry give oyinbo. When I follow join body to collect work, the Koshito job for Rwanda na the same level even for the Orlando Pirates. All that level na im dem take form my hand o. Anyway, nothing dey happen. The oga wey be the oyinbo wey collect that work, he dey wish am kulele time for say dem collect the work. From there, make we come begin dey waka go the glass house for Abuja. Wetin dey shele for there o, for time wey no go too tey. Isa Hayatu wey become president for Africa here, Isa Hayatu dey there o. E don tey. At the NFF dey talk say oga misa, oga misa, oga misa. This one wey you dey do, come make we ask. This CAF presido office na family property ni. You don tey for there and you still wan enter for the 8th level, 8th time to take become CAF president. But this time o, we dey turn way back. We no dey join you to take carry support to give you o, on top of say you wan still enter that office for the 8th time.
Yeah, of course, waiting James. The summary of waiting James they tell you, they say NFF now they know they support Issa Hayatu for his 8th term bid to become CAF president. You know, say Issa Hayatu don't be CAF president since 1988 and he still did there. He did there during the time of your Avalanche as the FIFA president. He did there during the time of Sepp Blatter as the FIFA president. He still did there during the time of Gianni Infantino as the FIFA president. So NFF are led by Amaju Melvin Pinnick. They talk say they know they back him for his 8th term bid, and he gets another candidate we say they contest. That is Ahmad. We say now from Madagascar. In the contest against Issa Hayatu for the CAF presidency, we say they're going to have the election for next month. So NFF is saying we know they back Issa Hayatu this time around. With the back Ahmad from Madagascar. From there, we will come back home talk about domestic football, and you know, on Monday he broke shortly after the matches on Sunday, he broke say the head coach of Nasarawa United, Kabiru Dogo, resigned his appointment as the head coach. 24 hours later, he rescinded his decision and returned to his post as the head coach of Nasarawa United. But now he don't talk. He talks saying na family friends we be say them persuade him to return to Nasarawa United. He talks say why he resigned because for that match, them play one match for Sunday against Sunshine Stars. It was a kind of it was home game for them, and at the end of the day, they drew that game 1 goal apiece with Sunshine Stars. So it was after that match he resigned appointment. So don't they talk now say why he resigned now because he was annoyed. Say the players don't do what he tell them to do against Sunshine Stars in that match. Now why they draw the match? So he can't talk say now friends and family talk to him and say, oh boy, make you return to your post. Now why he can't return? So let's move over and cross over to Europe. Talk about
and as we dey enter UEFA Champions League sharply, make we run enter China. China na the area now wey pepper dey red o. Another Naija pikin, e dey brown, e dey here as I dey talk. Former Naija international, he still dey play for Naija sha. He never reach that level. Him too don go join another Naija pikin, Mikel Obi for China to take the play.
Yeah, it be like say na China all of them they go now. Mikel dey there, Igalo dey there. If one now say they talk with a Chinese club and they don't go there now. So maybe we'll talk about the UEFA Champions League. We saw 2 matches around of 16 years tonight, and the matches we saw we saw the match between Bayern Leverkusen and Atletico Madrid. Bayern they played that match for their home ground for Germany. At the end of 90 minutes, it was Atletico that won that game 4-2. It ended. Manchester City playing against Monaco. At the end of the day, now 8-goal thriller it take end. At the end of 90 minutes, it was Manchester City 5, Monaco 3, and 2 matches they're going to play today for the round of 16 of the UEFA Champions League. Sevilla go dey home against struggling Leicester City. Leicester City know they struggle for Europe, but then they struggle for domestic for domestic league. Not be only EPL, even for FA Cup. Now Millwall sent them out of the FA Cup, so that they struggle for domestic cup. So in Europe, they struggle, but they go play against Sevilla today. Then Porto go dey home against Juventus. These are the 2 matches where we say they're going to play for the UEFA Champions League today. And as we wrap it up, me will tell you, say yesterday at the Sport Writers Association of Nigeria, where we say myself and James will be part of it. For Ogun State, we played a friendly match against Nigeria Society of Engineers as they mark their week. So at the end of 90 minutes, now 1 goal apiece we take, and
we league draw soup.
Now draw soup.
With all you na big belly.
Which belly? Me I get belly, James. I don't know if you talk of Otayemi, I don't say you get belly. If you talk of Biodun Alabi, I don't
that one is super belly.
No, but that coach him be.
I know now. I know. Anyway, if all the story wey we say we touch life for here, for me to remind for here, for different sports story, for everywhere where sport dey shele, na only for Rock City FM. Tomorrow block us, wey go be the Thursday edition, same time 7:30 a.m. 15 solid minutes, 15 kulele minutes with the story wey fresh wella. Una bye gari, may na enjoy today.